Welcome back. Well, we just saw that ad for El Toro Pharmacy, and today we have on Christine Darcy. She is the pharmacy manager. Christine, nice to have you here today.
Nice to be here, Kim.
And the first thing I want to tell people is they probably remember El Toro Pharmacy used to be over at the Willow Tree Plaza, and they moved a while back over to Moulton Plaza, which is right across from the Senior Center and by Polly's and that location there. Much bigger location. A lot easier to get into, a lot easier to park and all.
Yes.
So great to have you here today.
Thank you for having me.
You're having your grand opening.
Yes, tomorrow's our grand opening. The mayor will be there to cut the ribbon. Lots of discounted prices, raffles, and you get to meet the staff. We're here to serve the community. We're excited about it.
Well, fantastic. Now you have been open for what, some length of time, but this is like the official
It's been
opening.
remodeled under new management, and this is the grand
grand opening. So you're going to have a lot of great discounts and sales going on. And as I mentioned, this is a lot bigger location than what you used to have. So therefore, you offer a lot more, not just the pharmacy part, which is great, and you can see some of the part of the ad up there. But now, you know, you also the scooters and lift chairs and lift stairs and all kinds of different things. And I know you had some that to limited capacity before, but now you have a much bigger display area.
Absolutely, and it's worth a visit to El Toro. You get to see things hands-on. We have a great team that will help in installation. We have a pharmacy team, including myself, that just cares. It's not about just dispensing medication. It's about empowering the patient to know what they're taking and providing that service, being available.
Yeah, and that's important to be able to talk to your pharmacist. And a good pharmacist is going to be happy to talk to you. They're there not to, like you just said, not to just dispense the medication. You know, their primary function is to answer your questions that you may have about the medication. Maybe you can't quite read what's on there because the print's so small, but you can get larger print, am I right?
Yes.
But they can go through and ask you what your other medications are and possible interactions.
Absolutely, and we communicate with both the patient and the doctor so that the best outcome happens from drug use. So.
Yeah, and even if they're going there for some kind of over-the-counter cold medication, talk to your pharmacist, because it's very important if you are already taking some other medication, that cold medication, that over-the-counter, you know, whatever it might be, can have interactions, especially with acetaminophen and things like that, right?
There's a limit of how much Tylenol you can take. There's Sudafed. If you have high blood pressure, you can't take that medication.
Okay.
So there's a lot we can help with.
Yeah, yeah, see, she knows. Answer this if you can. Maybe people want to transfer their prescription over.
Yes.
How is that done? Do they come to you? Do they tell their primary care? How does that work?
All they have to do is give us a call. We'll do the rest of the legwork, either calling their previous pharmacy or calling their doctor. We try to make it as easy as possible. Okay, so if you ever want to do that, you certainly can. And you often have, you're having the grand opening, but you're going to be having specials every week and all. That is true. There should be discounts and specials very often at El Toro Pharmacy. Yeah, that'll be great. Yeah. And you know, again, if you're looking for scooters and lift chairs and things like that, you folks can help them out, and somebody's going to be there and kind of go through what the different things have to offer and what's going to fit them best. That's very true. Our goal is to keep our senior community as mobile as possible for as long as possible, and our team measures you, and we have, if you purchase a scooter at El Toro Pharmacy, service to that scooter will be free. Oh, nice. Very good. Now, you are open Monday through Friday, 8:30 until 5:30, Saturdays 9 until 3, and then you're closed on Sundays, right? Okay. The grand opening, what time is that? All day tomorrow? It's all day tomorrow. The sales and discounts are all throughout the month of January. Okay. But tomorrow will be the special day where there'll be raffles and prizes and lots of giveaways. Okay, so check that out. Go over there and meet Christine and a lot of the other folks that
go over there that work there that can help you out. Great staff, and it's great to have you on.
Thank you so much, Ken.
Nice to meet you.
Very much.
And remember, they're over in the Bolton Plaza now, in that area that's across from the Florence Sylvester and what's going to be the new Veterans Center over there. So it's right in that main area, and you'll be able to find that pretty easily. Good to see you.
Very nice to
meet you. We'll be back.